I'm so excited to see how these babies are gonna look on the Tesla. The color I chose is, for this full set, it was around. All right, summer's here, the weather's nice. It's finally time to put on my new Titan 7 wheels. I'm so excited to see how these babies are gonna look on the Tesla. All right, I met the Titan 7 guys out on a trip to California. They showed me all through the facility, showed me these wheels for the first time, and I knew as soon as I saw them, I had to have them for the Tesla. These are the TS5 20-inch Titan 7 fully forged wheels. It's a staggered setup, so I have 20 by 8.5 in the front and then 20 by 10 in the back. The color I chose is Technica Bronze. The TS5, meaning a 5-spoke wheel here. You can see that it's split spoke. They're super light. So the front one is just under 25 pounds. The back one is just over 25 pounds. And compared to the factory wheels, which are 30 pounds a piece, I'm shaving off 20 total pounds. Race car. All right, first step is to take off my winter wheels. I actually picked these up from TireRack.com, really good price. 18-inch BBS wheels, got the Bridgestone Blizzak winter tires on it. Ran fantastic in the snow. It's all-wheel drive, so they ran great. The Titan 7 wheels that we're putting on, I'm so excited. So these are fully forged. They actually start with a aluminum, and they actually press it with 10,000 pounds of pressure, making it super strong. So strong, in fact, that it's backed by a lifetime structural warranty, and that's unheard of in the wheel industry. If you guys want to check out Titan7.com, they have so much information on the different processes on making wheels, whether it's flow formed, forged, or casting wheels. There was just a lot of information. I learned a lot. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to read up on it. It's interesting information. The wheels are wrapped in the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. They're the same tires that I had on the GTI. I really like them, so I put the same ones on here. And thank you, shout out to Crown Customs for actually doing all the mounting and balancing of the wheels and the tires for me. I love that they put in these black wheel weights. Classy. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. Before we actually put them on the car, I want to protect them. I want to protect them with a ceramic coating. So Titan 7 and G-Technic actually teamed up, and they have a coating package that you can actually purchase off their website. So when you purchase your wheels, make sure that you add this to your cart. Everything inside is everything that you need to prep and coat your wheels with G-Technic C5, and I'll kind of go through that with you here. Obviously, these are brand new. If they weren't brand new, you can actually clean them with W6. This is a fallout remover, so this is gonna remove all the built up contaminants that may be on your wheels to clean them up real nice. If they are new, you can go right to the panel wipe. This will prepare the wheels for the coating. You wanna make sure that there's nothing on the wheels, that they're actually pretty naked so the coating can sit on there and do its job. A coating is gonna make it easier to clean. There's not a whole lot of brake dust that I've seen with the Tesla. I actually don't use the brakes a whole lot with the regenerative braking system, but it'll help keep your wheels cleaner for longer, and then when you actually go to clean them, it makes it a lot easier. So the application of the actual ceramic coating is really, really easy. You want to make sure that your wheel is completely dry and prepped with the panel wipe. And then we're going to take one of our applicators and simply wipe the coating on the wheel. And I'm going to wipe it on the front first, and then I'll do the inside barrel. And by the time we have everything coated and applied, we can start wiping off the excess right away. All coated, ready to put these babies on. Along with the wheels, we have Titan 7 wheel nuts. These are titanium. They're super light. It's amazing. I can't, it's like, it's almost like nothing. It's crazy. So for the quality of these wheels, I'm just blown away at the price. Because a normal set of like fully forged wheels, I mean, it can be $8,000, $10,000 for a full set. For this full set, it was around, because these are 20-inch, obviously they're a little bigger, it was around $3,200 for all these wheels. So the value that you get for the quality, can't beat them. And they look amazing. What do you guys think? I love them. They look awesome. I think the bronze wheels with the black paint, it looks sick. Only thing we need now is to lower it like at least 1.5 inches. So I have coilovers coming on the way. We'll do a whole video of making this low. We'll drop it to the ground, and I think it's gonna make it look even more sick with these Titan 7 wheels. If you guys wanna get yourself a set of Titan 7 wheels, I'll put the link in the description down below, titan7.com. Check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go drive it. I can't wait. All right, so I'm taking off my, if I can get them off. Come on. On the different types of wheels, the different types of processes, I kicked all the fucking things. They have a lifetime structural, tasty.